Alright, Muskie Addict, I'll show you what I have done. So, you can see how fast it's scrolling. I just have it on the couch right now, so it's not really marking anything. And that's how fast it scrolls, and then you have the amplitude scope over here, so that's like immediate. That's like having like a color showdown on the screen. And so for my settings, I got it off of auto sensitivity because it just seems like you can get a better size, and it goes faster because I just think of it like the computer on the inside doesn't have to think as much when you have it doing all the thinking by itself. So the more you do yourself, the better it works, I think. Just same with range. If you know about what depth you're going to be in, it'll help. But I guess if you're trying to, you don't really know, you just put it in auto. But I don't think it works as well. I have this in 200 just because it's a wide beam. Ping speed. You said you have yours on fastest, or that's what you said, but you got slowest, all these. So you got that. Sonar options. Ice view, I just have it on that for color. Ice mode basic, I don't think that really does anything besides give you the battery meter, but maybe it does, so you might want to turn on that. Fish ID blows. Ice view, that's just color. Overlay data, I took off the speed and temperature because I don't really care what the water temperature is, and it just reads 32 degrees all the time because I don't think this transducer has a temperature sensor, and the speed I don't really care about anyway. So if you go into settings, sonar settings, I have the rejection on high, because this is my dad's unit, and when we fish together, I have my FL12, so I got the interference rejection and the surface clarity. If you turn it off, like we'll just watch up here, you probably know this, but if you turn it off, come on, if you turn it off, then that all gets all funky in it. You couldn't see if anything comes in the higher part of the water column. This is in manual just because I changed all this, and I have it on shallow water because it scrolls a lot faster, I think, actually, if you look at it, so that maybe that's your problem. Well, at least I thought it did. I don't know. I just keep it on shallow water because I don't really ever fish deeper than 40 feet. I don't know if that's really shallow water, but yeah, if you got any more questions, I guess just put it on Lake Link.